Today we are going to make some Baja Fish Tacos. So let's get busy. We're going to go ahead, we're going to pour all of our seasonings into the sour cream. Before we dive into this Baja Fish Taco recipe, we're going to go ahead and we're going to make this video and then come back to this one, and then you can finish up this recipe. Salt and pepper. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to throw this in our bowl. We're going to mix it together. I have a feeling with the amount of fish that I have prepared, we're going to need olive oil. It's a little bit heart healthy. All we're going to do is cook each piece for about 2 minutes. On that first bite, you get the little bit of chili spice. You get a whole lot of the smoke. On Instagram, or if you're on TikTok, hit the heart button, hit the like button.